For me, like this rides very
scary.
One. Okay. No. Four nine. Huh? ఎక్కినాక అయిపోయి అలా
இது வந்து அண்டர் மெயின்டெனன்ஸா?
ఏం కావాలి
நீ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண, இப்போ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணு.
బ్రహ్మానందం பாபட்ரோ
ஜெய் பாலையா?
ஜெய் பாலை
ஜெய் பாலையா தெரியாதா? இன்னும் போவே இல்லை கத்துறா அந்த பொண்ணு. ப்ரோ இன்னும் போல ப்ரோ. No, he stopped it, I think.
Okay, stop it. Stop da?
Like it was not the full height, right? We went even more.
That's why nothing.
அதான் போறதுக்குள்ளே நிறுத்து.
No bro, it's coming front, going front.
No, that's
Like only, like that only.
that's the fun, man.
Okay. After release, nothing else. Only by going back only.
That first snatch only, it will be nice. And yours was like, I think one half rope.
Okay.
Half rope.
Actually, it have to go.
Ah.
Here it is.
நிறுத்து